Are you new to Forex and you don't know where to start? So in this video, I will show you exactly how to place your very first trade step by step using MetaTrader 4 or 5. Simple, clear, no confusion. Let's go. So hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Damian FX. I document all my Forex journey right here. All my wins, all my losses are right here in this channel. First thing you need to do, number one thing, is open your trading platform, which is MT4 or MT5. You will need these two, especially your broker. Also, if you want to trade if you want to trade your own personal fund, you will need a broker like Exness. The link to get Exness is on the description on my bio, or you can see it in the comment section. I pinned it. So to get Exness, if you want to trade your real life funding for as low as $10, you will need Exness. Or if you want to trade a Prefirm also has their own broker also. You get me? So if you want to trade your personal fund, you also need MT4 or MT5, and you also need Exness. So Exness is just the bridge. It's just like the middleman connecting you to the market. Exness is a particular platform whereby you deposit the money, and Exness connects you to the market using MT4 or MT5. You get Exness is only for depositing and withdrawing. Then you trade, and whatever you are trading on MT4 or MT5 is reflecting on Exness. I hope I make it clear. If you don't understand, just take the video back and play it again. So first of all, open up your trading platform. I'm using MT4, but the steps is the same as MT5. So choose a currency pair. Choose a particular currency pair on the quote section. You can click the plus sign up there. Once you open your MT4 or 5, you will see down there are some some icons down below. You will see the quote. You have lots of currency pairs from CFD to metals to Forex. So you can pick anyone you're familiar with and trade. So next, choose the pair you want to trade. So we go with Euro USD, you see. So which is one of the most traded pairs? Euro USD is one of the most traded pairs, you understand? So 3, analyze the chart. So before entering a trade, do a simple analysis. You can use support and resistance, trend lines, or indicators like moving average or RSI. So you can use this particular strategy to trade. So before depositing that money on Exness and bringing it to a MetaTrader to trade, make sure you already know the basic of Forex trading. You already know how to trade. Even if it's not 100%, you know how to place, you know how to analyze very well. You understand? Before placing a trade. So number 4, open the trade window. Now, what you have to do next is to right click the chart and select new order. So if you go to your trade window, you see the icon down there. So you right click up. There's, I think, the paper icon or the plus icon up there. You right click on new order or click new order button at the top there. So you click it. That is if you want to pen an order, that's when you click there. Or if not, if you just want easy market execution, you can see the buy and sell button up there. So now set your trade parameters. Number 5, set your trade parameters. So here is where the magic happens. You will set volume, which is the lot size. For beginners, use 0.01. For beginners, please use 0.01 lot size. So stop loss, you also need to set stop loss to protect your account from big losses. You also need to set a stop loss to protect your account from big losses. Take profit, automatically closes trade in profit. Automatically closing trades in profit. If you're a beginner and you actually don't know what stop loss is, what take profit is, you can check my videos on forex trading. I think it should be the first video, or you can check my playlist on forex trading for beginners. So order type, which is another thing. So choose market execution for instant entry. So that's what I'm talking about. If you want to pen an order, you click on, you see the bottom icon there, trade. Click on the paper icon or the plus icon there to set a pending order. But if you just want to enter the trade immediately, just click on the icon chart to display the chart, and make sure you're on the right pair you are trading, either currency, either CDF, either metals. Make sure you're on the right pair so you don't make a mistake. And on the middle there, that is where you set your lot size. So for a beginner, use 0.01. Then you either click buy or you either click sell. Don't just click buy and sell. Make sure you have a particular bias you want to target. So the number 6, click buy or sell. So if you think the market is going up, you click buy. And if you believe it is going down, click sell. That is it. You are now a trader. Congratulations. So manage your trade, which is very, very important. After entering the trade, you can monitor your position from the trade tab. You can monitor your position from the trade tab, and you can also monitor it from the chart, the chart window. So you will see your profit stroke your loss in real time on your trade tab. You see your profit and your loss in real time. So you can also close manually if needed. It is not compulsory for you to hit full take profit if you are skeptical that the trade is going to go against you. If you know that the trade is going to go against you, you set a break even whereby you are taking your stop loss above your entry level to secure some profit. You understand? So it's not compulsory for you to hit a particular take profit. And if you don't take profit early, you might regret later if the market came back after a huge move to your take profit, but it did not hit your take profit and it went down back. It went down back to hit your stop loss. So if you are skeptical about this trade is not going to go well, you adjust your SL above your entry level. You keep adjusting, keep adjusting. The more you are doing that, the more you are securing partial profit. So let's wrap it up. And that's how you place your first forex trade. It may look technical at first, but once you do it once or twice, it becomes second nature. It becomes part of you. Very, very easy. So if you find this video helpful, give me a thumbs up. Comment below if you made your first trade yet. So if you are still watching from this sideline, don't forget to subscribe for more beginners friendly forex tip and tutorial every week.